Welcome, guys. Today I'm going to walk you through marinating goat. Then I'll take you all the way to prepping it and roasting it, and then setting it up on the table. Getting ready, guys, to start marinating the meat, and then washing my hands, getting ready to put in the work. Okay, come with me. All right, so getting ready with gloves. Yeah. Let's putting these on. Kind of tight, my fingers. That will work. Okay. Folks, we're getting work done today. All right. Gloves are not helping. All right. I think this will work. Let's go to work, guys. So I'm just going to mix the meat together. And then I'm going to add in some salt. We don't want to, add too much salt. All right, I'm just going to add in some salt here as well. And I'm going to mix it together. Okay, just get the salt out of my hands. And then I'm going to add some red pepper here. We're not going to do too much seasoning. Just going to do basic seasoning because we want to get the real taste of the meat. Okay. So we're done with the red pepper. Now we're doing lemon and pepper seasoning. This is really good, guys. You should get this and try it. Okay, just be generous when pouring it on the meat, and then mix it up nicely, prep it, get it ready to go. Okay. Perfect. I think we got it. Yep, so we'll let it sit for a few minutes and then we'll start taking it to the grill and then we'll begin roasting it from there. Awesome. Alright, so we're lighting up the grill. Yep. That's our fire right there. We're heating up the grill to about 600 degrees. And then once that's heated, then we'll start our roasting. So yeah. Come on board. Folks, now that we've hit 600 degrees, getting ready to start grilling. Let's go, let's go, let's do it. So I'm going to put the meat on top of the grill. I'm not going to put it directly on the pit. I'm going to hit it directly from up here. I'm going to use my hand to make this a faster process. Yeah. And then I'll spread it out evenly so that every piece of meat is grilled. Perfect. Yep. Nice. Alright. So I'll keep monitoring, just checking to make sure that you know, everything is grilling nicely. Yeah, and then we'll just monitor the situation. Go. Yeah. So we're basically just cooking it slowly. Like we're not rushing it when we're not cooking it directly on the fire.
Understood?
Yep. So we're taking time, getting it cooked, and we like it. You know, just like when it's brownish.
Mm-hmm.
You know, that's when we know it's ready to, it's cooked and it's good to go.
Awesome.
Yep. Well, smoking now. Look at the smoke. So the meat is grilling. The smoke basically is telling me good things are happening in that grill on there. Yep. I'm just checking the meat to make sure that it's not burning, and then it's grilling nicely. I'm looking for a brownish color. Once I have that, then I think we should be good to go with these meats. Yep. So I'm spreading it nicely, ensuring this even heat across the grill. Alright. This grill is super hot. Nice. Now, close the grill. Yeah. Coming on nicely. Alright people, we're coming on nicely. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be some nice grilled goat tonight. I'm ready. I'm ready for this. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. I think some of this is ready. Really for like the next 2 to 3 minutes, and then should be good to go. We don't want to get it sitting on the grill for a long time, otherwise it's going to get burned. And we want to make it. We don't want to burn it as well because we want it juicy. That's when you get the juices from the meat, and that's when it's really tasty. Yep. Yeah. Guys, what do you think? What do you think about this grilling process? Hit the like button, comment, subscribe to my videos. You know, tell me how this grilling is going. Do you like it? Would you do something like this at home in your house, for your friends, for your family? Alright folks, so checking our meat. I think we're ready. I think we're good to go. So I'm gonna get it out. Put it out.
Oh, that first plate was good.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Wait until you try the goat. Wait until you try the goat. Yep. It's really nice.
So nice.
Very nice.
Such a beautiful day, huh?
Oh yeah, Emma, it's a beautiful day.
You're very lucky because it could have been last week.
I know, right? And it will be snowing and freezing, and we'll be indoors.
Down to 8
Oh
degrees.
yeah, it was crazy. I remember, like, I woke up another nights, and it was 7. And I'm like, this is it's crazy. Yep. Nice. It's good. Time to grill. Nice. Alright, so I'm getting ready to skewer the chicken. As you guys can see, we marinated it, we added some vegetables on it, red pepper. And so I'm gonna put it on top of I'm not gonna put it directly on the fire because I don't want the chicken to be hit by direct fire. I am going to crank up the heat so that you know, the chicken will cook slowly. All right. I'm gonna spread it evenly here. Perfect. And then, yeah. So I'm just gonna crank up the heat, make sure that you know, the heat is at max. Again, not placing them directly on the grill, but keeping them away from the direct heat, and then cranking up. Awesome. So we're gonna give it 10 minutes, then come back, look at it, and then yeah, see how it goes. I hope you're enjoying this video. If you do, please like this video, share it with your friends. You can comment as well, and please subscribe to my channel. Alright, so check out on the setups of chicken. And I'm just going to turn it once so that change where the fire is heading directly. Okay. We want even cooking across all the sides. Turn this. Okay. Well, I'm going to let it sit for another 10 minutes. Alright. Then we'll come back and take a look at it again. Nice. Alright, so let's check progress again. It's coming on nicely. The juice is there. We don't want it to be too dry. We want, you know, when you're eating it, we want some juice on it, so that when you bite it, you know, it tastes, you can get the taste right there with the juice. Okay, so yeah, we want the juice, we want the juice, we want the juice. Again, I'm just turning it for even distribution of the fire. I want the burning to be equally distributed across all the pieces here. Yeah. Nice. So, almost there. We are gonna let it go again for like 10-15 more minutes, and then come look at it, see how we're doing here. Very nice. Yeah, that heat is coming to your face. You can feel it, especially since it's cold out here. You know, it's cold, and the heat is, when you open up the grill, the heat just jumps on your face. Okay. See the magic. Let's see the magic. Yay! I think we're done. I think we are done. People, I think we're done. I think we're done. Yeah. I think we're ready to go. We're ready to go. Look at this. It's very well done. I like the brown. Okay. And then I see the peppers. I can still see the colors on there. Alright. That means the fire is evenly distributed in the grill, which is a good thing. Alright. Very nice. So, yeah. We're good to go. I think we should be should get it out and then go and enjoy it. Thanks, guys. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, share with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel. Until the next one.